Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a crucial component for anyone needing to repair their DJI Mavic3 Enterprise thermal drone, specifically the 3T model. This is the genuine Mavic3 Enterprise gimbal assembly camera offered as a replacement repair part. It's important to note right up front that this particular part comes without the lens, and it does require calibration after installation. According to the information provided, this is a 100% original accessory, which is vital when dealing with complex drone components like the gimbal and camera system. Using genuine parts helps ensure compatibility and performance that matches the original equipment. The description highlights its durability and ease of use, suggesting it's designed to be a straightforward replacement for a damaged original part. The ease of installation is mentioned, coupled with fine craftsmanship, which implies the part is well made and fits correctly. Beyond just functionality, the product is said to make your device more beautiful, suggesting it has the same aesthetic finish as the original part, restoring the drone's appearance after a repair. Its durability is further emphasized with descriptions like wear-resistant and having a long lifetime, which are key factors for a part that is constantly in motion and exposed to the elements during flight. The item is listed as weighing 50 grams, which is quite light, as you would expect for a drone component. It comes in one color, presumably matching the standard finish of the DJI 3T drone. The brand associated with this part is DJI, offering these genuine accessories as a replacement part for the camera's gimbal assembly on the DJI 3T. Its primary function is to restore the drone's ability to capture stable footage and thermal imaging, assuming the original lens is transferred or a compatible replacement lens is sourced separately. The requirement for calibration is standard practice when replacing gimbal or camera components on drones, ensuring the system is properly balanced and aligned for stable operation. Overall, for DJI 3T owners facing a damaged gimbal assembly camera, excluding the lens, this genuine replacement part appears to be a solid option. Its emphasis on being original, durable, and relatively easy to install makes it a promising solution for getting the drone back into operational condition, provided the necessary calibration steps are followed. It serves the essential purpose of replacing a critical, damaged component with a part designed to meet the original specifications.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.